Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can download Mp3Juice application. Now if this is something that you are interested in, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get straight into it. First of all, tap and open Play Store or App Store on your device and there search for Mp3Juice. Once you search for it, search result will be displayed on your screen. Now from there, tap on this application. And now to get this application on your device, tap on Install button and there the app will start to download. Now there, your app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now that's all it takes to get Mp3Juice application on your device. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.